Hello everyone, this is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, and this video is about a new feature being added to social media, in particular YouTube. And what YouTube will be introducing in a short amount of time is handles for your channels. And as you all have seen on other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, handles are a unique way of identifying your page and or your channel on social media, especially if you have a business and or brand. And those handles are a unique way that people can identify you and distinguish your platform from others. So I wanted to read a little bit about how YouTube will be going about introducing these handles. And so I'm going to also link this article down in the description so you can read it in its entirety. So it says that handles will appear on channel pages and shorts, so they'll be instantly and consistently recognizable. It'll soon be simpler and faster to mention each other in comments, community posts, video descriptions, and more. For example, creators can be shouted out in a mention, in comments, or tagged in the title of a recent collab, helping them increase visibility and reach with new audiences. Handles join channel names as another way to identify a YouTube channel. But unlike channel names, handles are truly unique to each channel, so creators can further establish their distinct presence and brand on YouTube. Over the next month, we will notify creators when they can choose a handle for their channel. In most cases, if a channel already has a personalized URL, that will automatically become their default handle, or they can opt to change the handle for their channel as soon as the notification is in YouTube Studio comes through. Because handles must be unique and every channel on YouTube will have one, we're rolling out gradually. The timing of when a creator will get access to the handle selection process depends on a number of factors, including overall YouTube presence, subscriber count, and whether the channel is active or inactive. When a creator chooses their handle, we'll also create a matching URL. For example, youtube.com/@handle, so creators can easily direct people to their content when they're not on YouTube. If a channel already has a personalized URL, there's no need to update links. They'll automatically be redirected to the new handle-based URL to create a better, more unified presence for creators on YouTube. We want to ensure creators can craft and identify as unique as their content while giving viewers the confidence that they are interacting with their favorite creators. You can read more about handles when I place the link of this article in the description. And the name of this article is from YouTube's official blog, Introducing Handles, a New Way to Identify Your YouTube Channel. So if you are a business owner, a marketer, or just a content creator on YouTube, you definitely want to look out on when you will be receiving a notification from YouTube to create your handle. Okay, so let me know how you feel about this new feature. I think this is exciting. I'm always excited to, you know, whenever a new feature is coming on YouTube. Like I said, social media is ever evolving. There are so many things going on social media. There's always changes to improve our user experiences on these social media platforms. So let me know how you feel about YouTube introducing handles for channels and how that will help your brand grow on YouTube. And so if you love this video, like it. If you love the channel's content, please hit that subscribe button and a notification bell symbol to get notified when I upload new content. And so, yes, let's discuss this in the comments and talk to you all soon. Bye.